Nice to see you all. My name's Emma, joined by lots of different people who you'll meet throughout the day, but we are very happy to be here. Thank you for having us.
The E&O Opera Takeover with Benenden School has been a programme that we've been running across this Easter term. We've been working with Benenden School alongside some prep schools and some local state primary and secondary schools to bring opera into schools across Kent.
Opera can include dance. True or false? Very nice. We're doing singing workshops, we're doing drama workshops.
Speed 5. Fast.
Exploring the opera, The Marriage of Figaro.
And freeze.
And just kind of having a lot of fun.
Tell me what love is. What can it be? Go! My brain was reeling. I wonder why.
There are not that many opera houses in Kent, so the people down here don't get the opportunity to see it as often as a consequence of that.
I don't think any of the children today have experienced opera at all. I don't think any of them knew what it was.
I've never heard opera and I've never been to go see opera.
Tell me what love is.
And just hearing it in my own school was actually really, really nice.
I felt quite amazed because I didn't know they would be able to sing like that.
I've never done an opera workshop or anything like this before. Definitely something I won't forget.
Let's give them a round of applause!
My favourite bit of today was when we were doing the acting.
It's great seeing all the young people trying on the English National Opera costumes and working out what characters they might be and who would be wearing these items. 3, 2, 1, and freeze. And it seems like they're having a lot of fun. That actually looks amazing.
I've never seen them this engaged in their music learning, so it's incredible to see how much they're enjoying it and how much they're learning from the process.
One of the things that's been really joyful about this programme is seeing children from such a range of ages react to the same material. From right across tiny ones up to year 9s.
Seeing what professional opera looks like and how it can be kind of transferred to their level.
It made me feel like very impressed. I was like, wow, I'm going to need a lot more practice to be like them. It was just incredible.
Hip hip!
One of the things that I think is brilliant about this programme is we get to bring the students together to sing the music they've been learning throughout the programme in their own schools with such a large group of students as an ending.
Everybody's going to be singing. We're going to do our best and try, and we're going to put our whole heart in it.
It's exciting, and I know that the children are excited, so it'll be an incredible day.
And we're going to have a great concert today.
I was so impressed. I thought it was brilliant.
It's really nice to see all different schools from all different areas all come together. It's very community-based and feels inclusive and nice.
She's never seen opera before. I don't think she knew what it was, so this was definitely a new experience for her, and it felt very special to watch it. I'm sure she loved it.
I do think that we change people's perceptions of what opera is and who it can be for. I've loved using real rep from operas that the children get to sing, so that they know this isn't just something that is for people who are super posh, to use the words of some of the young people from this programme, but actually can be for them too.
Amazing. Thank you